What is up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope everyone is having a pretty good day. In today's video, we're going to be doing a few different things. For example, I will be going to a couple of my locations to collect the money, restock the machines, and see how much money I made. But also today, one of my locations called me and they said that the snack machine literally spit out like $30 worth of quarters, dimes, and nickels, which is pretty weird because I've never had that happen to me before. So we got to go out there and figure out what happened with the snack machine. Hopefully, you know, somebody picked up my change because, you know, I kind of need it. And also, by the way, before we get right into the video, I know I said I was gonna do a giveaway as soon as I hit 50,000 subscribers, which I still am, okay? But look, this is what happened. A week before I was gonna hit 50,000, I purchased something online, which is the item that I'm gonna be giving away. It's been about 2 weeks now and I still don't receive the item, which is like really frustrating. But I checked the tracking number and it should be here in a couple days finally, so be expecting that video soon. But again, if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Oh, she came this side. Why are you looking so beautiful? Where are you going? Okay. Alright guys, so my girlfriend is gonna be going with me today because we're also gonna go restock one location that is like 10 minutes away from the location that we're going to. And I was supposed to go restock those machines tomorrow anyway, so I might as well go today. And I'm here because I gotta take out the coin mechanism from this machine because I'm gonna be putting it into the machine that spit out a whole bunch of change. I think that's the problem. It should be the coin mechanism. If not, then, you know, I have no idea what it could be. I've never heard of this problem before where a machine just spits out a whole bunch of change. So hopefully just replacing the coin mechanism can fix it, because if not, then I don't know what it could be. And I'm actually gonna be selling this machine tomorrow, so I might make a video on that. But anyways, let's go ahead and open up this machine. And here it goes. I haven't opened up this machine in a long time. There's still even some drinks inside. I do have to hurry up because the location closes in a couple hours and it's like 1 hour away. So, but anyways, I gotta take this out, and the way you do that is, let's see. Basically what you do is you lift up the coin mechanism and it should just come off. Yeah, there you go. So just like that, you know, just lift up and then pull out. And there we go, we got the coin mechanism out. See how simple that was? I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the trunk, and it's actually full of change. So if I can replace this, then I don't even have to put any change inside, because as you guys can see, it's full of change already. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so right now we're at Sam's because we're actually going to be going to refill the machine first. Then we're going to go fix the machine that's broken. Oh, we don't need cheeses. Why are you getting cheeses?
That's for me.
No, put those back. Put it back. Okay, you can have them.
No.
No, you can have them.
No los quiero.
You can have them. Yeah.
No los quiero.
But yeah, like I was saying, we just need to grab a few stuff. We need Coke, Dr. Pepper, and cupcakes. But this is actually a different Sam's that we don't normally come to, so I have no idea like where anything is at. Alright guys, so we just got to the location that we're gonna fill up the machine. So we're gonna go inside, you know, stock up the snack machine, the soda machine. But anyways, let's go ahead and start with, I think, the snacks. Alright guys, so here we are. This is the snack machine, and by taking a look, oh look, the donut's messed up. No wonder they haven't bought one. We got a slot of chips gone. But anyways guys, I have the soda machine pretty much stocked up. As you guys can see, the Coke is all the way to the top, as was the Dr. Pepper and Diet Coke, which are the best sellers in this location. Alright guys, so we are at the location. We're gonna go inside and fix the machine. We have two coin mechanisms, one right there, and I got the other one back here. right there. Alright, you guys, so we are here at the snack machine, and look, check this out. The coin mechanism is completely empty. It literally just spit out all the quarters, all the nickels, all the dimes. Also, by the way, the workers here are so nice. They picked up all the quarters and dimes and nickels and put them in this little bag for me. But now I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, put the new one in, and see if it works. Alright everyone, so we actually have a big problem. So the connection from the coin mechanism actually is not the same one as the machine. So I talked to the manager and I told him that I was gonna buy a brand new one and a new plug, and hopefully I can be back in about 3 or 4 days to, you know, replace the bill scepter, the coin mechanism. So we put tape on the bill scepter, on the coin mechanism, and we're gonna keep the machine off just so, you know, nobody uses it. I'm not restocking any of these machines over here. I just came to try to fix the machine. I'm gonna be back in this location in about a week. Alright everyone, so right now I'm about to go to one of my locations. I'm gonna go to the barbershop. So I do have a whole bunch of drinks back there, and if you guys take a look at the front seat, I got the chips, the pastries, the chocolate, and I am actually at Family Dollar right now, because if you guys remember, I do put milk in the barbershop location. So I'm gonna go inside. Hopefully they have some milk, because every single time I try to buy milk, I have to go to like 3, 4, 5 different stores. Oh, they do have some milk, guys. Like, check that out. Let's go ahead and get a whole bunch. So this can last all the way to March 24th. Today's the 14th. I normally try to get milk that can last at least 2 weeks. Alright guys, so I got the milk now. I got it in the bag, and what I do when I buy the milk is I take it out of the bag and I just put it inside the little like lunchbox. And what I used to do is I used to just put the whole bag inside the lunchbox, but then when I go restock the machine and I take the bag out, then people will know like where I get it from. And I feel like if they know where I buy it from, then they're just gonna go buy it themselves instead of buying it from the machine. If you guys are ever gonna put milk in your machine, I highly recommend you to get like a lunchbox like this, or if not, a cooler, especially if you live somewhere where it's really hot, because I feel like milk, after it gets like a little bit warm, I feel like it starts to smell bad after a while. So that's why I bought the little lunchbox. But anyways, let's go restock the machine. Okay, so I just finished filling up the machine, and I wasn't able to record when I walked inside because it is busy right now. But when I walked inside, I looked at the machine, and guys, the machine was empty. I walked inside and they were like, you know, bro, where were you? You know, the machine has been like that for like a week and stuff. So, but in the end, that's good, because this is what I pulled out from that location, okay? Check this out. This is all the money I pulled out from that machine, and there's also a whole bunch of 5s, so I'm really excited to see how much money I pulled out from this machine. I normally come every 10 days to this location because this is one of my best locations, and this is the only location that I do pay commission. I pay 18%. So as soon as I get home, I'm gonna count the money and I'm gonna subtract the commission, the product, and let's see how much of it was profit. Alright guys, so we are finally back home, and right here I have the money that we made in the first location that we went to, and I still have to add the credit card sales for both the soda machine and the snack machine, so I will let you guys know how much we made from those at the end. And right over here we got the last location that I went to, the barbershop. I didn't get any coins from that location, but we did get a pretty good stack. I still don't count the money, so I have no idea how much it is. Let me know down below in the comment section how much money you think this is. But anyways, let's count it. Alright you guys, so I just finished counting up all the money and this is how much we got in bills with both locations put together. So as you guys can see, it's a pretty good stack. Now for the big question is how much money did I make? For the first location in bills, we made $82, in coins $10 even, and with credit card sales for both the soda machine and the snack machine, we made a total of $97 with 70 cents. So the total for that first location, we made $189 with 70 cents, which was about a week. So that was a really good collection for that location. And for the last location that we went to, I didn't get any coins for that location, so in bills we have $194. So after we take away the 18% commission out of the second location, about $150 in product costs and about $20 for gas, which I get about $195 with 70 cents in profit. As you guys can see, we got a pretty good collection this time, and I feel like it should be staying like this from now on, just because the days are getting hotter, so you know, people want more drinks, more snacks. But that's pretty much it for the video. You guys saw how much I made from those two locations. If you guys have any other questions, let me know down below in the comment section. Also, by the way, if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, go ahead and follow me. Just hit me up, say what's up. If you have any questions, you know, message me on there. But anyways, I hope y'all did enjoy the video. If y'all did, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.